Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to Ambassadors Hub CryptoKademy. My name is Daniel, your number one crypto analyst, your number one crypto profitable investor and trader. Okay, let's just get right into it. We were going to be looking into Binance verification today. I've received a lot of DMs about that, so let's just go straight into it. So you downloaded your Binance and then you want to do a first time registration. This is how we go about it, right? So you click on sign up. Sign up is up there. You can see that. You click on sign up. If you already have an existing account, you can log in, but this is for those that don't have an account. So you click on sign up, and then it will bring out a page where you will type in your details, your personal details, starting from your country and all that. Okay, so let's wait for it to load up. I want you guys to follow through these steps. Please pay attention to every detail. So you want to click on register now because you're not logging in. It's a first time registration. So you want to click on register now. So when you click on register now, the first thing you're going to notice is it is going to navigate you to where you're going to choose your country. This interface is for those that are logging in. So we want to click on register now. Like I said, register now. Click on register now, and then let's wait for it to load up. It's taking a little bit much of time here. All right, so now you select your country of residence. So we are in Nigeria, so we click Nigeria and we confirm. After clicking Nigeria, you confirm that, and then we create a personal account. We are creating a personal account, not a business account, right? So we are creating a personal account. We are creating that personal account and we are going to be using our email for that. So I'm going to be using one of my students' email for this video sake, permission duly noted. Okay, so we are going to be typing the email, your preferred email, your working email, preferably a Gmail. Yeah, Gmail is much better and faster. So we want to use, like I said, I'm using one of my students' details for the purpose of this video. I'm already verified, I'm already registered, so if I'm to use my account, it will not be beneficial to you. So I'm going to use someone's a new timer. So we're gonna let's go straight into typing is the pizzachidera@gmail.com, right? I believe so. Yeah, Peters Chidera. You want to make sure there is no mistake in your typing, both in your email and every other detail that you will be supplying. Okay, so Peter Chidera's 2019, Peter's Chidera 2019 at Gmail. Okay, we just spotted an error there. You can see here, and so we will want to go back and cancel that. Correct, backspace, just follow through with this video. I want to make I'm making this video as simple as it can be, so that even a 7-year-old child can navigate through it and be able to register and verify a Binance account. Okay, so permit my approach, and I'm trying to be very more educational as I can here. So Peter's Chidera 2019 at gmail.com. Then after that, you want to select a password. Now your password should be a combination of numbers, letters, and characters. Yes, your password should necessarily be a combination of letters, numbers, and characters. Now the reason for that is so that it will be very difficult for someone to be able to guess your password out of the blue, right? So we want to choose a password that is very complex. Okay, so you can see we are already picking out of his passwords. He already has passwords stored everywhere, so he's just going to be using one of those passwords. So don't bother, you're not going to see his password. Okay, I'm just telling you what we should do when you're doing yours. Make sure your password is a combination of letters, numbers, and characters. Now you click I agree to receive email update for Binance, and then you proceed. That's you go, you click on next. Now guys, please make sure you don't make any mistake in this registration process. Most of the reasons why people don't get their account verified because of one or two little details that are being missed out. So you can see there the email is correct, and then the password we have chosen is as well also correct. So you want to click next. After clicking next, sorry, forgive me. So after clicking next, Binance is going to take you to what we called a security verification page, where you have to solve a puzzle. Now what you want to do in this puzzle, you have to slide this piece of puzzle into that empty space, the match. You have to put it into its match. So if you take it to the extreme, you're on your own, nothing is going to happen. If you take it one step almost close to that match, nothing will happen. What we are looking for is for you to navigate it directly into that box. So you can see right here that if you take it outside of the box, it will click bad. If you take it extreme, it will also click bad. So I'm just doing everything so that you understand and you'll be able to operate this thing very well. So bad is not going to work because we are not doing it right. You can see that, right? So each time you miss this step, Binance will always correct you that, hey, you're not doing this thing correctly. You have to do it correctly. So now let's drag it into the box and let's make it match perfectly. You can see that. You can see that. You can see that. Okay. Let's wait a bit. Let's wait a bit. Voila. You can see now it has ticked green, meaning that yeah, you've gotten it right. So now we proceed to the next stage where you have to do your email verification. Now a code will be sent to your email. A code will be sent to that email that you chose. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to that Gmail or that email that you chose. Now what you want to do is, once that code has been sent, you want to go to your email address, or you want to go to your email that's logged in your phone and get the code. Now you have to click you saw where we clicked, right? You saw where you click send code. You click that send code bar, and then the code will be sent to you. The code can't just come to you if you don't click that. So you have to click that send code bar that we clicked right there. So now the next thing you want to do is you want to go to your Gmail. Yeah, you want to go to your Gmail. So let's gradually observe. I hope you're observing these steps, guys. It's very important to me that you observe every step, missing nothing. Okay, missing nothing. And by the way, I hope you've been enjoying the class. So far so good. Yeah, I want to believe that we are all enjoying this class. Please, if you're enjoying this class, I want to see your comments down below. Yeah, in the comment section, just type in your comment. Tell me how far you've been enjoying the class. If you have any question, you can just come into my DM, come over to our Telegram page, type in your question there. It's an open community. You ask your questions there, then we answer, right? So let's check our email. Let's check Chidera's email. Then you will see that Binance had sent a code. You see Binance has sent a code. So we want to refresh the email. You want to refresh the email. Now you can see that. You can see Binance registration verification code right there that was sent. So we click on confirm your registration, that box there. We click on Binance, and then we get the verification code. You can see the verification code there, right? 570076 570076. So once you've gotten this code, you will want to now take it over to Binance. And do not close your Binance, please. In the registration process, do not close your Binance for anything until you are done. Until you are done, do not close your Binance verification process. Do not close it. I also want to use this opportunity to say thank you to Peters Chidera for allowing us to use his registration and verification process to put up this video. Really appreciate Ambassadors Hub CryptoKademy sends you a great shout out. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right. So you want to do, you copy the code. You copy the code and then you go over to Binance. The same Binance, right? You just go over to Binance. And like I said, do not close your Binance. What you just do is just minimize. So you input the code, you paste the code there. So let's paste the code and see what happens. Paste the code and see what happens. Paste the code and see what happens. All right. Pardon my teaching strategy, man. I'm an educationist. I study education economics in the university. So my major goal is to pass knowledge in simple form, as simple as possible, like I said, so that even if a 7-year-old boy picks up this video, he will be able to understand what is going on and he will be able to duplicate and replicate it. All right. So pardon my, we call it educational technique. So pardon my educational technique. So we want to put that code, we want to paste that code. We are not typing anything, we already copied it. So what we want to do is to paste. We want to paste the code, right? I believe it's 757 something. I can't even remember again now. So you see, that's one thing about codes. That's one thing about codes. You have to make sure you're doing the right thing. So don't second guess. If you think you've forgotten it, just go back, just and see 570076, right? So we type that in. We type it in the name of the Lord. We type it in the name of the Lord. 570076. Now, after typing the code, once again, you want to make sure it's the correct code. So you might also want to minimize and then proceed. So you can see, just submit, email verification, voila. Now you can log in. Once you've logged in, the next thing you want to do is now this video is in bits, right? This video is in bits, so we're going to be entering another segment that is very important, and I want you guys to pay rapt attention, very rapt attention. Now, once you've been able to log in, if you've logged in into Binance, click on that profile. There's a profile icon top left. When you look at your phone screen, at the left side of it, top left of it, you will see a profile icon. And we'll get to that. So the next thing you want to do is you want to verify your phone number. So you choose your phone number, you input your phone number. That's after you must have sign up. Now put in your phone number. Don't bother typing 081, just leave the first 0 and continue. So now this is the place people always having issues, this verification process. Now we are going to be shouting out to David Okoro for permitting us to use his segment for this. Now this facial verification is very tricky. Just let's go into it. Pay attention, please. You can see this circle here. Your face needs to fit into that circle, and you need to move a little far. Follow every instruction that will be popping out on your screen. You see, move further away from the camera, so you need to go back a little bit. Now you knot slowly. You can see the avatar there is showing you how to knot slowly, so you want to knot slowly. Make sure your face is in that box, and make sure your lighting, your background is clear. Make sure it's clear. You can do this process as much as 15 times before Binance will be able to verify you. I remember when I was doing it for my dad, we did it 20 times. I did it for my brother. I did it for 15 times before it could go through. So you just want to keep coming back here. You see it failed. Yeah. You see that it was not accepted. Now if it fails once, do not stop. Come back, repeat the process. You can see that verification failed, right? It's not a matter of the ID that you upload. It's not the ID that is the issue. If it's the ID that is the issue, if you click on the verification field, if you click on your Binance profile, they will tell you what's the reason behind that whole failure. Okay, but you can see it's not your ID. And then I want you to notice, if you look at this requirement, you see a date here, 22/02/13. Now what that means is that your account is under review, and between the day you started registration and that date, and this 22/02/13, what it means is it will take Binance that amount of period to get you verified. Now that's if you've been able to do the facial verification and it went through, right? For some persons, if your facial verification goes through straight up, it will just click verified. For some persons, if it doesn't go through, Binance will just come here and put up this mark for you to tell you that it's in process. So you just want to keep checking it. If it doesn't get verified, you repeat the process again. Now you can see that, okay, but there's someone. Okay, let's just go further. For someone that has been verified, that's 220213, that's 13th of February 2022, it will be changed. You will no longer see this here, you will see verified. Don't bother, as we progress in the video, you will notice what I'm saying. Like I said, if you notice this, do not panic. Do not panic. If it was not verified, Binance will tell you unverified. You can see what's there is estimated completion date. It means that from the day you register to this particular date, this is the amount of period it will take Binance to get you through and bring you in. That's if your verification was not done once and for all, like verification was not successful at first trial. So yeah, for your uploading, please, I want to talk about this place very well, very well. Make sure your images are captured inside the box very well, guys. Please make sure your image, like your national ID card, is fitted into that square very well. All right, now you can see that it has been completed, right? You can see that it has been completed. So thank you very much, guys. Like I said, leave your comments if there's any. Leave your comments, and then if you have any question, just move over to our Telegram community. The link is down below, down in the comment section. You see the link there. You join our Telegram community where you can ask your questions. Okay, thank you very much for joining us today. My name is Daniel Obina, your number one crypto analyst, your number one profitable crypto trader and investor. Thank you, guys. See you next time.